All right, today we're going to learn a little bit about electric baking mixers. Okay, it's a very important tool in the kitchen. I'm just going to start by explaining the parts of a mixer. So you have your base here, okay, which lays flat on the counter. This is a tilt head mechanism. Obviously, in this position, opens. You can lock it in place so it doesn't move once it's on. We have our pouring shield here. Okay. So our mixing bowl. Now this here is the planetary action. Kind of locks your attachments in place. Okay, and to use this, it has like an opening. You're going to slide it in. Make sure that goes in there. Now it's locked in place. Turn it back, slide it off. And this is your auxiliary port for your accessories. And then if we turn it to this side, here we have our speed levels, okay? Obviously 0's off, all the way to 10, high speed. And that's it for our parts of a mixer. Now for our attachments, we have our flat beater, okay? This is used for batters and cookie dough and things like that. Then we have our dough hook. It's used for kneading, okay, bread or dough. And then also there's a whisk attachment. I can't seem to find it, but obviously it looks like a whisk. That's attached onto here. Now for safety, you always want to make sure the mixer's turned off and unplugged when you're cleaning or changing any attachments. You always want to keep your hands outside when the mixer is on, or hair or loose clothing while the machine is on. And you always want to check your cords, make sure the cord's never frayed. Before using it as well. It can cause an electric shock or fire. And you always want to make sure it's on a flat, stable surface, away from the edge of the counter. Avoid it falling off. You want to make sure it's really sturdy. And use it for its intended purpose, okay? And always be aware.